Patrick at Pals and Chuck. We've got another collision car here. What's going on?
So here at PALS, we have the capability to do light body and fender work. And what I mean by light, replacing the hood, headlights, bumper cover, grille components. In this particular instance, a trailer hitch had backed through the car in a drive-through, and you can see it's damaged radiator and the condenser. It's also the upper radiator support that's bent. So those components are easy to replace, and those are things here at PALS that we can do. We would take these components, send them off, and have them painted. Once we have them painted at our painter, they come back and we bolt them on the car, make it look good as new. And as you can see, in this particular instance, we're going to have to replace the radiator, the evaporator core, do a evac and recharge, put a new hood on it, upper radiator support, and then clean the front bumper cover up and replace the grille pieces.
And of course, a customer that comes to you for regular maintenance, like on this heavy-duty truck that we're doing, is going to feel more comfortable dealing with you on a collision impact like this than somebody else that they don't know.
That is correct. Number one, time efficiency. Most body shops are typically backed up for months, and so they could have your car for weeks on end, where our turnaround time is a lot faster. Number one. Number two, if it's an established customer, they're more comfortable dealing with their comfort zone versus going to an unknown. And people don't use body shops every day, but mechanical work is something that people do on a regular basis. So they have that relationship already formed with us.
And folks, we deal with the insurance companies just like a body shop does. You handle all of that, right?
That is correct. Matter of fact, I had State Farm in here today on a vehicle outside that we're doing exhaust on that had been damaged in a body collision. We're doing a rear hatch, a bumper cover on the back, and the entire exhaust system that was damaged due to someone running into the back of the vehicle. So if you have light body work, please bring it to PALS. We hope to see you soon.